Now we will learn about how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. So improper fraction, as I told you in the last tutorial, is where the numerator either equals denominator or is greater than denominator. For example, the numbers like 17 divided by 5. So 17 is greater than 5, so numerator is greater than denominator. Therefore, this will be an improper fraction. Now, to convert this into a proper fraction, it is not a possibility. But what we can do is, we can make it a combination of a proper fraction and a whole number. So when you convert an improper fraction into a whole number and proper fraction, this is called mixed number. So where portion is a whole number and a portion is a proper fraction. Let's have a look at it. Let's convert 17 divided by 5, which is an improper fraction, into a mixed number. So 17 divided by 5. 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. When I do 5 times 4, it'll be 20. It will exceed 17. So I do not want to go beyond 17. I want to stay less than 17. You get closest to 17 in multiples of 5. So 5 times 3 is 15. Now, if I take the difference of these two, I'm going to get a number 2. In mathematics, this is called your remainder. This is called your quotient. Now, to write a mixed number, here is the formula that we always look at. Quotient goes in the place of whole number. Remainder goes in place of the numerator of the fraction. And your divisor stays at your denominator. So, if I plug these numbers in their correct places, in place of Q goes the number 3. In place of R goes the number 2. And in place of D goes the number 5. So this would be considered a mixed number of this improper fraction. Now check out this side, 2 over 5. Now that is proper. So basically what it is trying to tell me when I look at the mixed number is, I have 3 full pieces, and out of the 4th piece, I have only 2 pieces out of 5 pieces. Because the way this is spread out is that every whole unit is divided into 5 pieces. That's why we are dividing by 5. So every whole piece is divided into 5 pieces. So I only have 2 pieces out of 5, so I don't have a complete piece. I'm short 3 pieces. So that is the proper fraction of the remaining piece, and we have 3 full pieces. So that's considered to be a mixed number for this improper fraction. You're going to follow the same process. Doesn't matter how many problems you solve or what kind of problems you solve. I'm going to solve one more problem for you, just so that you can see that. Now that formula that we have written was Q, which is the quotient, times R over D. So let's take a number here. 33 divided by 7. So this is improper because numerator is more than denominator. So let's take 33 and let's divide it by 7. Now 7 times 4 is 28 and 7 times 5 is 35. So 35 is more than 33, so I'm going to go back to 4. So 7 times 4 is 28. That leaves me 33 minus 28 with 5 as a remainder. Now, I'm going to write it out in that same formula, where 4 is my quotient, 5 is my remainder, and 7 is my divisor. As we will convert a mixed number back to its improper form.